Welcome back to Online English class. This is Level 1, Lesson number 15, which starts on May 27th. And this is Part 3. So this is the last video of Lesson 15. In this video, we're going to work on Unit 9, Lesson F. You are probably watching this video between May 25th and June 17th. This video was filmed on May 20th, 2020. Okay, I am on Lesson F. Lesson F is on page 120. Page 120. So on Lesson F, we have a chart. It says save more supermarket job duties. So we know that this chart is for the things you need to do at work. And the place you work at is Save More Supermarket. So we know that here is for the things for the people who work at Save More Supermarket. Let's see. We have the day and we have the date. The day is Monday. The date is January 23rd. We have the duties or the task. So this is what they need to do. This is the employee. The employee is the worker. Initials. Your initials are the first letters of your name, your first name and your last name. So this employee is Joshua Liu. So the first letters in his name are J and L. So his initials are JL. Here we have someone named Kim Casey. The first letter in her name is K. The first letter in her last name is C. So her initials are KC. And then this is the time completed. So this is the time when you finish. So let's look at the duties. We have sweep the floor, mop the floor, clean the bathrooms, empty the trash cans, turn off the lights, and lock the doors. So, time completed here. All of these times are at p.m. The earliest is 8:30 p.m. So all of these times are between 8:30 p.m. and 10 p.m. So I think this is after the store closes. Okay, so you can probably answer these questions, but I'm going to do number 4 with you. So what is time completed? Time completed is when you finish your duties. When you finish your duties, what time is it? So I'm going to say time stopped. Number 4, time stopped. The time you stop working. And now I want to talk about before and after. So, the earliest time we have is 8:30. So, Anne Hamilton cleaned the bathroom before everything else. Because she cleaned the bathrooms at 8:30. She was the earliest. The latest, the last thing that happened is Victor Morales locked the doors at 10 p.m. This is the last thing that happened, the latest. So let's see. What happened before 9 p.m.? What happened before 9 p.m.? Let me get a paper. So I'm asking, what happened before 9 p.m.? What happened before 9 p.m.? Happened is a verb. It's a verb, and I'm writing it in the past tense. You know it's in the past tense because it ends with the letters E and D. So what happened before 9 p.m.? So 8:30 p.m. and 8:45 p.m. are before 9 p.m. So there are two people. So I'm going to say Anne cleaned the bathroom. And Steve emptied the trash cans. Steve. Empty. What's the past tense of the word empty? Because empty ends with the letter Y, we change Y to IED. So Steve emptied the trash cans. So, what happened before 9 p.m.? Anne cleaned the bathroom and Steve emptied the trash cans. Okay, the next question is, did the employees sweep or mop the floor first? Did the employees sweep or mop the floor first? So I'm asking, what happened first? What happened before? Sweep or mop? Okay, so this is verb number 1, did. I'm asking a question, so I use the word did. This is number 2 and number 3. In the past tense, we only change the first verb to past tense. After the first verb, it stays in the present. It stays normal. So we say, did the employees sweep or mop the floor first? We only change the first verb in a phrase. So here we're asking, did they sweep first or did they mop first? Let's see. We have sweep and mop here. Joshua swept the floor at 9:15 p.m. Kim and Roger mopped the floor at 9:30 p.m. So, Joshua swept the floor before Kim and Roger mopped the floor. So, the employees swept the floor first. So I'm going to say, they swept the floor first. Or we can say, they swept the floor before they mopped the floor. They swept the floor before they mopped the floor. On the next page, we learn about or, the word or, when we ask a question. So, we use the word or when we have two or more choices, two or more things we can do. So we can have 2 things, we can have 3 things, we can have 4 things. We have a lot of choices, a lot of options. So, the question here, did Juan wash or sweep the floor? This one or this one, wash or sweep. He swept the floor. So, in my question, did the employees sweep or mop the floor first? Which one went before? They swept before they mopped the floor. In this question, I'm asking sweep or mop. This one or this one. You can only choose one. Which one happened first? In this question, did Juan wash or sweep the floor? We're asking which one he did do. He swept the floor. He didn't wash the floor. Okay, so in these pictures, we have two people, Feng and Mei. The two chores they have to do are wash or dry the dishes. So let's look at Feng first. Did Feng wash or dry the dishes? He washed the dishes. Let's look at Mei. Did Mei wash or dry the dishes? She dried the dishes. So let's look a little closer at these questions. Did Feng wash or dry the dishes? Verb, verb, verb. The action words, the verbs are in pink. So when we ask a question, we use the word did. So the word did is already in past tense. So the words after did, wash and dry, are in present tense because we don't change the verbs after the first verb in a phrase. Did Feng wash or dry the dishes? Past tense, present, present. He washed the dishes. So when we ask a question, we start with the word did, and then the verbs after, we say it in the present. So let's look at number 2. We have someone who irons the clothes. This is an iron. With clothes, you iron them. Number 3, she's holding a bottle of soap, so I'm going to say wash the clothes. Iron the clothes, wash the clothes. So, did Santiago iron or wash the clothes? Did Santiago wash or did Santiago iron or wash the clothes? The verbs in this sentence are did, iron, and wash. Because we're asking a question, we start with the word did. Did he iron or wash the clothes? 1, 2, 3. Iron or wash. He can only do one. So which one did he do? Did he iron the clothes or did he wash the clothes? Well, Santiago is holding an iron, so we say he ironed the clothes. Santiago ironed. Iron is the present tense. In the past tense, we write ed. Santiago ironed the clothes. The word ironed is in past tense. Now let's write one more sentence. He didn't wash the clothes. So this sentence is in the negative. This is a no sentence. He didn't wash the clothes. The verb after wash is in present tense. So, did Santiago iron or wash the clothes? When we ask a question, the word did is in past tense, and the verbs after did are in present tense. In this sentence, Santiago ironed the clothes. There is only one verb in this sentence, so it's in past tense. In this sentence, we say he didn't wash the clothes. This sentence is a no sentence. It's a negative sentence. So we use the word didn't. Didn't is the first verb, so we change it to past tense. Wash goes after didn't, so we keep it in the present tense. Okay, so now let's talk about Monica. So, did Monica iron or wash the clothes? Did Monica iron or wash the clothes? She washed the clothes. So the past tense of wash is washed. Monica washed the clothes. The word washed is in past tense. She didn't iron the clothes. Did Monica iron or wash the clothes? Monica washed the clothes. In this sentence is negative. It's a no sentence. So we say she did not iron the clothes. Because this sentence is a negative sentence, the word iron goes after the word didn't. So iron is in present tense. Okay, number 3. We have Donna and we have Tina. So we have vacuum and mop. We have vacuum and we have mop. And we have to use the word or. So, did Donna vacuum or mop the floor? Did Donna vacuum the floor or did she mop the floor? Donna vacuumed the floor. Past tense, vacuumed. Donna vacuumed the floor. She didn't mop the floor. Tina. Did Tina vacuum or mop the floor? Tina mopped the floor. She didn't vacuum the floor. Okay, number 4. Okay, so Paco is holding a spatula. Let's see, this is a spatula. It's a tool you use for cooking. How do you pronounce it? Spatula. Spatula. Okay, so I'm going to say cook breakfast or dust the shelves. cook breakfast or dust the shelves? Did Paco cook breakfast or dust the shelves? Paco cooked breakfast. He didn't dust the shelves. Ivan. Did Ivan cook breakfast or dust the shelves? Ivan dusted the shelves. Dusted, we write ed at the end. Ivan dusted the shelves. He didn't cook breakfast. So that is the end of lesson 15. Remember, when we ask a question in past tense, we use the word did. The verbs after the word did are in past tense. And if we have a sentence that is in the negative, we use the word did not, didn't. Because didn't is already in past tense, the verb after didn't is in present. Okay? Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.